Okay. Mr. Streamlabs had a crash, so stream restart was necessary. Good. Just a little faster. They're working today. Almost 1 MB of JSON. Ain't that something? Ain't that something? Raid? No. Hell no. It's time to try something new. Let's do the car. Back. Bum, 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 bum. Might be slightly addicted to making different hairstyle, but I do want to make a default one that's not. It's not this one. So maybe I'll make something shorter to like a shoulder length. Because the cool thing now is that the hair is actually an item hairstyle. Boom, boom. That's right. Keep on switching. Now, tutorial for this thing, you could do. But you could turn it to offset curliness. Let's see how this looks. Might look okay-ish. Maybe you want to be just a little bit longer. Just a little. Just a tad. What's that? You went is not good? What does that mean, dude? What does that mean? Oh, internet. I thought you said you intelligence. Yeah, that's at least solvable. I updated the demo on Steam, not in a while. Now the playtest is out of date quite a bit. I could probably push what I have right now. I think I could. See. Playtest update 1.11. Let's do a quick little prep. Let's do an update. Because I do have a new main UI system, hairstyles. I'm not sure. Did I have Fireball? I think I had Fireball last time already. But probably don't have Firestorm. Or Firewall? Probably Firewall is there, I think. Yeah. So I think will be new hairstyles as an update, different modify main UI, and Firestorm. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Sure. Sure. Release to Steam. DB file, good. It should also include actually a fix to AMD shaders, I think. Yeah, well, that should be good. See? My Steam always likes to disconnect while doing that. Well, let's see, Mr. Steam. Mr. Steam. I'll let the game play a little bit. Oh, oh, oh. Hold up a second. Oh no, don't tell me you're lacking symbols. What the hell? Bro, this is why I use debug builds. Because you get no information. None ya. So this one probably somehow out of range. Not sure why that would be. We'll add new types of enemies. Eventually. For sure. I mean, yeah. I'll need at least like, I don't know, 50 different types for the full game. It's something I've been pondering. What's the next thing to add? Not sure. Okay, I think that was a decent fix. hopefully. Do you have any ideas, Mr. Vukar? What kind of anime would you like to see? My preference is generally theme-wise, definitely mechanical. I don't want to add any kind of humans. Well, the thing is, I rarely use holder for the chair. It's pretty rare to actually touch it. It's more just kind of there, but I don't actually use it. Time to approve the new Steam build. And let's see how many crashes I get on that. Let's see. Time to write some update notes. Update notes for January 11th, 2025. Range skill, firestorm, hairstyle. Is a new item type. It's fine. Type, bodysuit. That spans both top and bottoms. Equipment slots. What if I take a snapshot and a screenshot? That's Russian PC, huh? Oh, I haven't written update notes, but this thing is live, so let me see what I get. But yeah, at some point I'm gonna have to actually this year buy myself an AMD card. Let's see how it looks like. This works for me just fine. It's a lot of updates. Get them all. Let's see. What kind of crash? Let me take a look at them crashes. Hopefully this time. See, also need to make sure to load the new debug symbols for the build. Here. I think this is the one. Ooh, I see something a few days ago, actually. Load. What I'm gonna do. Take a look at the report and just do a momento. Create update notes at least. Update screenshots a little later. All right. Again. Hey, I see something new. Let's go. This is today's. Okay. Ooh, what's going on here? Line 55. That's actually useful. Not really. Huh. Review out of range access. Oh, this thing is somehow empty? This thing is somehow empty. Oh, that's a bunch of bull crap. Let me see. 490. It's not even the first one to do that, though. I guess. Yeah, this isn't used. Huh. So this thing somehow doesn't have anything. But I thought, huh. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Minimum image count. It smells like something here went wonky. Let's go. Let's go hunt. Result. I mean, it still doesn't really make sense, to be honest. Yeah, the good news is I got a little bit more information. A little bit more. It's still something really odd about it. Something up in there. Let's see. Well, now I can just add a little bit more information. Questing. a little bit extra to the log file. Yes, so my GPU is about 228, requesting 3. Seems good. Just do that much for now and see what that does. Now, Mr. Vukar, if you're here, I can do another quick update to the build and see if all this extra notes gives me any extra information. Maybe I want to make that different. I'm gonna do one little extra thing. Let's say Okay. Roll logs for AMD Vulkan issue. Oh, yeah. Hi, Mr. Vukar. Should have a new build. It just got updated on Steam. Oh, it should be good now. Just now. You know what? That actually brings a good idea. We need to introduce a concept of a build number and show it on the front screen when you're playing the game so we can confirm which thing you're actually playing. Might as well do that. Meanwhile, see what we got. So this is what I saw today. About here. Oh yeah, this is the same issue. Same one here. Yeah, so all that is the same. Where to run it again now? I'm going into the new build. Meanwhile, I need to introduce this build thingy. It's overdue for that anyway. Let's go make it. Come on, Visual Studio, bro. Why you being like that? I wonder, does it show anywhere here? The last updated. Update these internal. Yeah. So last one should definitely be fine. Worst case, reinstall it. Now. No, I'll stick it right here or something.
The doors are now unlocked.
Congrats. Congrats. Ooh, what if it's a longer one? I should put it here. Yeah. It's a good way to handle this. You know what? This is a time to talk to Mr. AI. Let's see what it got us. Some different error. Excellent. You know what I love the most? Different errors. New errors. Which means we got progress. I shall await when it arrives to this system her. No, I guess I need to wait a little bit, I suppose. Meanwhile, what if I can automate this somehow? I want to print a build from my game. Can I have CMake medically insert something like timestamp? I'm gonna build which compiled on my machine. This is what I want to get something like this. It looks cute. The other thing you can do if we don't have to wait, you could send me the log file because this thing is just not showing up anytime soon. Wednesday. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything new. So if you could go to the log file and give me some of that, that'll be great. Let me see. That would be under something like this. Under something like this. Is that Mr. here? I think this is Vulkan. Last seen. Is this a new one? No. This is still the older one. Guess I have to wait a little longer. Yeah, it still says it 1 errors. Configure CMake to automatically insert a build number, time step, and no information. Right ahead of 5. Unfortunately, it means that I'm not gonna get any 0 builds anymore. So I might only do this in release builds when I'm updating that. Yeah, that's a good idea. Huh. Built on it. I'm curious. bunch of lies. It is a bunch of lies. Assert hit. Oh, misconfigured vault consumption image. A bunch of bullcrap. Well, huh. Yeah, so it is this line. Is it possible that somehow on that GPU, the sub count is different from this? This is what it really should be. Really? Hmm. Because shouldn't I just force this? I don't think I support dynamic swap chain counts, really. Huh. How about it's all nice and good, but handle the variable main image count. It was always some random ass freaking GPU that might introduce issues. Chat. Zero greater than. Oh, zero means there's no limit. Okay, so I don't want to handle zero in a weird way. Okay, 0. Right, that's why I do it this way. Okay. And more. No music? You can't hear music? I think about it in the game. Because I'm playing music right now, actually. Doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. No, I'm gonna make this into a warning. Special warning. Hello. Do a log. Mr. Xorus, welcome back again. Been a while. Do I like Rust? Nope, I hate it. I hate it. I hate Rust with the passion of Jesus Christ. Absolute passion of Jesus Christ. Rust is a religion, and I hate faith. Hell no. Yeah, just a pain in the ass, dude. I actually read through Rust at some point to understand what was it, the borrow checker and the lifetime declarations and all that. It was like, dude, there's like so much crap. It's like a bunch of web devs came to C++ and they were like, oh my god, I'm afraid of pointers. I'm afraid of news and deletes. I have no idea where everything happens, but I want to be able to allocate and delete a million objects left and right every millisecond. And we need something to hold our hands to do that the right way. So they went and made their own languages to handle that. And it's like, bruh. No, I'm good. Like, I don't even know if Rust will let me do what I'm doing here. Which is I basically just don't allocate. I just don't. So what the hell is Rust gonna solve me? Pretty much everything I have in the game just exists at all times, so there's no lifetimes. Screw Rust and its lifetimes. Rust assumes that lifetimes are short. But that's the thing, I don't allocate. I don't need allocators because I do not allocate. So what do I need allocators for? But even if it was true, like fine, there's some language that makes allocation a little easier. Fine. The problem then comes if that has poor tooling support. It will have poorer Visual Studio generation for my project, for CMake integration, for debuggers. All that is gonna suck and be poor, dude. There's a bunch. I only respect languages that do not use LLVM as a backend to generate compiled code. If you can find me a language out there that does not use LLVM, I'm all for it. I'll consider it. And that's C++ and C. Just about everybody in the mothers just using LLVM like a crutch, and like, yeah, look at me, I made another little front end and I'm calling it a language. No, bruh, you barely made anything. Take a chill pill. Yeah, you definitely want to make a game better. Like, imagine this. Imagine you've spent years saving up, and now you have a bunch of savings, you have skills, right? And now you're gonna want to put that into making your own game. Would you put that into betting everything on one of these newer languages, be it Rust or Zig? I wouldn't. I like Jai, but I wouldn't build my game on that. Hell no. And definitely not my first game. Absolutely no to the hell no. Can I just do not the whole thing? So let's see. If min count. No, not actually. It's fine. Is swap chain count supported? But meanwhile, I'm looking into something where Mr. Vulkan is a special person. Very special person who's got a very special GPU. And more than that, is very special GPU instance. And that particular thing doesn't like my game. Okay, so if it's supported, if greater than this, and 0 or less than. I'm gonna make this a warning. And then I'm gonna force my way into it. It's probably crash. Those blinds make me think you live in Florida. It's like a new type of game where you are like trying to guess location based on side of a room. It's pretty good. But you're correct. I am indeed in Florida. So it's not as cold as freezing as the rest of the country. Do I hate Rust ecosystem just at least they used to require, maybe still does requires internet to build a compile at all. I'm assuming that was fixed at some point. It was probably true a few years ago for sure. But you know, well, let's. I don't ask this. Does. I feel dirty asking this. I'm polluting my ChatGPT with crap. Acquire internet connection to build game code. So not always. Yeah, so you need to, so that's not too bad then. That's comparable to the way you CMake. Because the thing is, the way I see it is most people who are stuck at CMake and they can't handle learning CMake, then they go run off to some other package system like Cargo or something. But CMake for me does exactly the same thing. I just configure a bunch of libraries very easily. So it's like, dude, it's like, if you're a scrub, you're gonna need some help, but otherwise it'll be fine. Like here's me pulling in different like libraries from GitHubs, and they just come in just like that. This is all required to build a CMake. It's like, what the hell do I need some random ass Rust cargo system to do? This does exactly the same thing. And unlike nasty Rust, I can just pull in random C, C++ libraries. Just like I just have more options. Screw Rust. Screw it. Oh yeah, I was working on the build number thing. Mr. Vulkan. Mr. Vulkan. I could produce another build update and see if we get this thing. Like, what do we get in here? Oh, Mr. Vulkan, did it actually print something for you? Let me see. Let's see the crash. Oh, Vulkan, can you get me... Let me see, can I... Vulkan. Can you give me the whole log file? Because I don't see any new log file in here. Well, probably because it got started, didn't crash. Yeah, but it's gonna be a problem. If I'm running into GPU that doesn't have the number of option images that I want, which I've kind of assumed to be hard-coded, that might be a problem. That might be a problem. I might change this to like, no. I guess this is a max. I might have to pass that along through everywhere. I mean, I can do it. Just a hassle. But, well, I'll wait on Mr. Vulkan. Let me see if I can use CMake to generate a header file which will timestamp my build. That's what I want. Actually, you know what? Why don't I ask the same thing? See how easy it is to make it a Mr. Rust. Can I have cargo Automatically insert stuff like a stun bill. Let's see what it says for cargo. Build scripts. Looks like you write your little scripty script. And then you run it up. I mean, it is cute if you actually write essentially your own C code to do it. That's nice. That's nice. I've done this before too. This is okay. So it's kind of weird, like where it goes to. Oh, this one literally just writes out a file. So you create a little binary essentially to produce that. Yeah, I could do that too, but let me see if CMake already has something ready to go without needing to do that crap. Because sure I could, but build timestamp. I'll print something. It gave me CMake generator, which I don't care about. Gave me Windows. Give me that. What about current build time? Current build time. Current time. Is that even a thing? Strings doesn't sound right. Current build time. Timestamp. That doesn't sound right. That does not sound right. String mindband. Wow, string timestamp is actually a thing. Writes a string representation, current date, and blah to the output variable. Ooh, so it's actually true. It's actually not a lie. Impressive. I'll run it into this timestamp. Okay. 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 That might fly. Oh, Jordan, new here. What's the game gonna be about? It's my own version of Diablo, effectively. About harder checks and sci-fi theme of lasers or whatnot. Did I get for top in here? About this one. Sure. Hairstyles is what I need to find. New hairstyles.
I got them all.
Cool. Hey, bodysuit. Perfect. Perfect. Bomb that thing.
Yeah.
Laser sometime glitch. Feels suspicious, but this is good. So this gets me fine. I don't care about this part. Okay. Now, this thing. Configure file. What the hell is this? Configure file. Input output. Copies input to an output. Or performing transformations. But this one... Dude, this is a bunch of garbage in here. Put down... here. CMake define var. Ooh. Hmm. Example. An adjacent txt means configure file to configure the header. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's what INI high-end stands for. Yeah, I can do that. That is actually not bad. Not bad. Specify this, that only. String. Okay. I can get behind that. That'll be this. Oh yeah, love my CMake. Okay, so I don't care about that. This seems fine. Actually, where does it put this file? You might put an actual build folder, isn't it? Isn't it? Yeah, probably will. Build strength check. Who's going down up in here? Okay. Did it create a file? No. What do we got in here? Just crash. 1 to 16. Oh. Oh, that was good sand, Mr. Vukar. Yeah. This should be. Okay, so I get it. So some GPUs support from 1 up versus mine does from 2 up. Okay. So that should be fine then. That should be fixed. It's a weird thing. Oh, I mean, it actually makes sense. Business nonsense. Yeah, I should just be doing this. Okay, this whole should fix it now. That was a silly thing. Silly thing. Um, let's build just this. Well, maybe nobody's actually using this. It doesn't actually do anything. That H. Doesn't seem like there's anybody doing it yet. Hold on, where did it put it? Yeah, that's creating a build directory corresponding to the source directory. Is the include? File generate. It's fine. Target include directories. Source game. Ooh. Hell yeah, made one. It definitely made one. Definitely made one. Pom 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 pom. So meanwhile, California disallowed insurance companies to break contracts for a year. Oh my god, such a communism, dude. I might as well. Let's see, build string. Can I somehow include that? Tag build number text. We tag B. Okay. Boom. Mr. Vukar, if you're on stream, let me know. I can actually explain why the game is crashing on your machine. Oddly, just on yours. It's a very small, benign thing. I should have handled that, but too many variables. Not that compiles. I just want to tag this thing. And hopefully, maybe. Hey, La Planta, it's cracking. Build info.h. I think I may have just first made my first generated build file to tag my builds. Slow Planter, a rolling up of a random YouTube video, of which there are plenty. Ooh, look at that. A booyah. There's a build now right there. So that's good. And it looks like if Rano changes, it does not make it again. Wait, 2023? '23? Yeah. Until you change something. Right. Let's see. Still 4023. Oh. What would I do to actually get that? Guessing I have to like recompile this thing completely. Still 4023. The only thing here is that one's fine, but to regenerate that file, never build. Really only do a script. But I don't want to. File right. Not the happiest about that. I mean, I'll leave it in for now, but for now, I'll just delete that thing. I'll just delete it. This for now will cause regeneration. Oh, it needs to be made a target. I might have to build an actual tool to do that properly. Boo. Boo. Do the touch thing. That's something. That might actually fly. Oh, I still have to do a software. Okay. 50-54. And now let's say I do something. No, they didn't do it. They did not, in fact, do it. Still need to... You know what? Fine, I'm just gonna let it be. At least for now, it gets some kind of build number. Alright, ask them to create the update for Vulkan fix. Oh god. Oh, force reconfiguration kicks in and messes things up pretty hard, Jesus. Oh boy. Oh boy. Well, I guess that works. Not quite what I want. But it does work. And I'll be right back while it compiles. Okay. The number's fine. Yeah, so now every time I do clean build, this one just updates on number then, which I think I like that approach. Clean up. All right, Vukar, hold on to your butt. Oh, the build is coming. Right now. Fix or swap chain image count. Improving the build. Look, can anybody confirm that you can actually hear the music in the background? Is the music audible? Let's do the test. Music is not audible, huh? No, yes, no. What should be talking about? Line. Excellent. I'll be a date right there. How about now? Can you hear music now? Let's make it slightly louder. Let's see. Bill works for me. That's good. You hear music a little bit. Damn. Yeah. It's a piano thing indeed. It's a little bit too on the sad side. Hold on. So here's the funny part. The reason Vukar's game was crashing Vukar's GPU is that his GPU reported to me that the particular number range was between 1 to 16 versus all the other CPUs telling me something between like 2 to number something. And my code just can't handle 1 from something as opposed to 2 from something. So with that fix, it should be good. So with that, oh, did I guess finally get a new thing? It's like it takes a while. Yep. See, 116 I could handle. I was asking for 2, whereas everything my code expects 3. But that's a silly thing on my part. That's a silly thing. That was a bug. That would definitely randomly crash on some GPUs. I happen to report one from blah. Interesting. Very interesting. But no longer a problem. Nice. Karst finally works on his AMD GPU. Wonderful. Wunderbar. Let's test this Fury. So 234. Now if I do a clean build, I'm expecting to get different ones from 234. After that, I'll make a new screenshot for Steam update page. 234. Oh. Did not update. You know what? Yeah, debugs, good. Go away. Okay. 234 though, still. Still 2 freaking 34, dude. Really? How is that possible? Wow, so clean does not clean that. Why not? Hope we need to add a dependency here. See if that works. Mr. Bukar, great. Another AMD fix. I gotta tell you, most fixes have already been AMD. It acts just a little different from NVIDIA, so it's not something I get to see. But I will say, if I was working on your AMD GPU the whole time, it would be working just fine. Just like this one minor number thing. Just a minor little thing. Test. It doesn't clean it. Why doesn't clean from... Oh, build roll. Hmm. I just say depends as this anyway. Does that work? Hmm. Mr. CMake. Mr. CMake. I get to see it directly. That's good. That's good. IntelliSense is always good. Yes, as a test. Okay, Gucci. You should not say debug here anymore. Oh, I didn't clear it. Okay. Yeah, makes sense. There you go. So now actually no visual if it's a debug build or not. That's good. That's good. As opposed to this here. But now that I'm a warpath for the build number, I don't want this file to be gone when I clean. Is it gonna do it? Is it gonna do it? No, I'm gonna customize it to make it mine. Fine, finish building. Then I want you to be gone. Clean? No, it's still here. You're such a biscuit. Such a biscuit. It's the same thing. Oh, maybe I should do this afterward. Or do it here. Wait, it only works for Ninja and Make files? Son of a... That sucks. I mean, I'll keep it, but that was, could have mentioned that a little better, huh? Okay. Not cool. Back to square one. Really make a tool just to make that. me a custom command that simply touches the file. That up. It is still here, so that's not good. You could say something like this. Mr. Adele. Why am I streaming so early nowadays? That's by design. By design. I should be doing it anyway. Now I'm currently busy fighting CMake. I will get it to do what I want. Okay. All I want is a build file that gets regenerated every time I do clean. That's all I want. I mean, the easiest thing would be to write like a C++ tool to write that out, I guess. Oh, really? You're gonna do that like... But this guy though, isn't it? Well. Ooh. I think for once it actually worked. Yeah. Is it empty? By the way. Why are you empty? No. It's not empty anymore. Okay, clean. Oh, victory is mine. Okay. Victory is mine. But now... Oh, the first build fails. The first build fails. How can I do this? Okay. Clean it. Clean it good. No. Just doesn't create it in time. This way to do as oh really? No way. There's no Virginia luck at Martin. From what I heard, it's a pretty slow job because any kind of government contract is super slow. Not really. Real Americans do not work for government. Unless you're in the army. I think the army, like, there'll be one exception. Like an actual valid government task, like police, army, courts, that's fine. Anything past that, like random stuff, no. American thing is to actually build things as an individual privately. Yeah, you could make an argument making particular military thing as something. It might be like a borderline thing where it might be okay. Oh, I didn't know I was using for whatever. Whatever. Command. Input, output. Wow. Okay. If that works. Did it go away? Let me see. Very curious. See here, 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 here. Ooh, can I just stick that in there then? This, that, here, that. Okay. Man, I save so much time writing small stupid stuff. Absolutely does. Okay. Clean the thing. Good. Let's see. First time build. Will it build? I might add an explicit dependency. Cannot open. Rebuild only the game. Because that does not exist. But I thought that this would be enough, but it's not. Okay. Okay. How about 10 apples? How about these apples? It's not. Why would you be looking at that? Hold on. I'm confused. Quite confused. But why are you looking for that there? Oh. Whoops. Good. Good. Clean it out. Go. Okay. After about half an hour of fighting CMake, I think I got it done. Should be good. Should be Gucci. Poor Mr. Adele. Also fixed AMD bug today. All right. So build 3050. Enough for restart. I meant clean and build again. It should be a different time step. We're always 50 seconds mark. It was like 3050 it was. Stamp here again. Excellent. Got it. I think finally have it. The lies. Bunch of lies. Okay. That's my first .cmake file, huh? Very fancy. Okay. Maybe a celebration actually play League of Legends now. Yeah, let's do that.
All robots have been destroyed.
But then I can work on what's the new hair thing that I have in mind. I need more configuration to the bones to make them a little thicker, so that they correspond with the hair a little better. It's not that bad. Really? Okay. I'll put knock out a few more hairstyles. New season, huh?
Welcome to war. Do not test me. I yield to no one. What's this? Such senseless chaos, Jake.
What? Does that reflect?
I hardly felt a thing.
Is that already around? That is disgusting.
Nothing I could
Triple reflect. Wow. That's crazy.
Oh, it is so on.
It's about to get messy. Let's dance. Blood for Nazis.
What? What was that? Yeah, that's the one that reflects. What is this? Hmm. Okay. Big time indeed. Hold on. So just like music muted or something? Ah, there you go. Can kind of hear something. Yeah, I did plenty of work yesterday. Get the new build time to work, which is excellent. Boom, right here. Debug blah. It's up again. Well, probably gonna go Cho again. Cho is a bit more reliable and chunky. Probably just ban Darius. Darius is kind of scary. Play Warwick as a top. Never particularly played Warwick, but I don't like him a whole lot. Wait, what is this? Teleport. Just new icons. Alright. Alright. I'm not looking to play easy wins. I'm looking to play characters I personally enjoy. Which is Cho'Gath with a metal skin, because he says emotions detected, purging database. Or Nessus. Just because I like the slow scaling. Lux. At least she's hot, I'll grant you that, but nah. Nah. You know what? I'm changing my mind. We'll go in Susan after all, my favorite. Now, winning games with this guy is hard, but that's not what's important. Instead of Flash, I'm gonna go with Ghost though. Because I think I'm against Wukong, and Wukong does not scare me. Not in the slightest. Not in the slightest. But I think I want to make one default short hair down to shoulders. Then maybe one really, really freaking long hair tail. Like down to the knees. Just really long freaking hair. Hold on. Just kind of hoping. Dude, I can hear the game. One of those things, isn't it? Damn it. Dude, we're just switching to the freaking game. No. Connect. Let's try it again. Shouldn't touch anything while it loads. I guess new season's forcing different settings on me. Or something. Really weird. Yeah, I'm back. Back. Ooh, just in time. Yeah. That's fine. What we're doing? 144, good. We got you. Wait, maybe up against the caster up on top. Oh. Oh, this one's gonna hurt. This one's gonna hurt a lot, isn't it? I have to build magic resist like there is no tomorrow. Healthy Games Esports, indeed. Indeed. Although, you're gonna have to wait a long time. Not looking to build multiplayer games. Not really. Come on. But to push everything up in my face. Ancha. Oh, it's new turret. Okay. I gotta wait at least to get more. Be able to buy in resistance. Excellent. Oh, well, she plays around. Time to build some tank. That's cool. Got a new thing 2025. They built it just before the fire started. You really freezing that right there? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna ignore you. There you go. Yeah, casters don't do much damage at first. It's all the melee guys that hurt a lot. This is nothing. There you go. He's even giving up poking me now. It's funny. Dude, you don't do any damage. Just sit back. Chill, bro. Chill. Just heal back whatever you got. A level 6, huh? Sure if that was necessary or not. But why not? Let's see, what do I want to build? This, right? Yeah. This, get them boots. And off we go. Can I kill that, please? Oh, got it. Yes, bring him here. Bring him here.
An enemy has been slain.
Man, she's so gone how happy. Sure, you can do your little pokes. Very cute. Not particularly impressed. Nice. I'll take it. Oh, I did not mean to dodge the ult, but I did. That was impressive. It was mayhem. Hmm. I enjoyed that wave.
An enemy has been slain.
That's fine. Mr. Adele, if you have any requests for a particular hairstyle you want, now it's time to make them. I'm open to suggestions right now. Should be able to tank her even better now.
Shut down. An enemy has been slain.
Man, she's happy to munch on my face. Not bad. Take as a trade. I'll just heal it back up. Yeah, I'm not impressed. Just not impressed. A little closer.
Double kill.
Time to heal back everything. Yeah.
An ally has been slain. Rampage.
Cool. First defensive item. Here we go. And she has no boots. Come on, throw your ult. I know you want to. Come on, get him. Get that ass. So close. Mike Tyson hairstyle? No. Hairstyle is only for women there. Guys don't get any hairstyles. No, don't feed, bro. Come on.
Has been slain. Unstoppable.
Alright, back and working on the queue. Maybe some getting ganked so freaking often, dude. It's like just had to freaking gank at that time, like really. Unfortunate. Maybe I just wasn't paying attention. What was that? I don't even know.
Turret plate will fall soon.
So enough of monkey business. Boom. Yeah, you can take me all you. Not particularly impressed. No. Maybe I can heal here a little bit. Yeah. What the hell's going on?
Has been slain. Shut down. An ally
Unfortunately, I
has
had to
been
abandon.
slain.
It's a bit wild. They get a kill somewhere. Don't remember where. Oh yeah, in the monkey, I think. I think I got her in the monkey. go. Does she have good boots yet? No. Alright, time to get boots, even more magical protection. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Your turret has been destroyed. Your team has destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. Enemy double kill.
No, it doesn't count as anything interesting. Yeah. You up? Character named. It's funny.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Taking this boy down. Nice. Payback, revenge. Absolute revenge. Let's say we'll bite at a tower.
Has destroyed a turret. Your turret has been destroyed.
Is this some kind of timer thing, huh? What the hell?
An enemy
What's
has been
this?
slain.
Oh, it's a new dude, huh?
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
To the point.
Shut down.
Nope.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
We're coming right back. Good, good. Oh, everybody here dead already. He's so tanky though. Jesus Lord. Ah, he's us out of range, little bastard. Why are there so many of the bad guys here? Everything just out of range.
Enemy killing spree. An ally has been slain.
Hmm. Oh.
Rampage.
You know what? Let's go for this. A lot of physical damage, huh? Hmm. Soon become serious citizen? Not yet. Not yet.
An ally has been slain. Your turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Alright, this game, I don't want to do any battles anymore. I'm just gonna push towers. There is no tomorrow. Build tank. Do you have a teleport?
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
From this guide list. Why do they always fight at the wrong time? Like, bro, how is that possible? I don't understand it.
An ally has been slain. Enemy double kill.
Yep, they're just gonna get everything. Oh.
An ally has been slain.
Farm it up. Farm it up.
Your turret has been destroyed. An ally has been slain.
Damn. Losing everything all the way to the base.
Has been destroyed. An ally has been slain. Your turret has been destroyed.
Lol. Never mind. Never you mind.
A summoner has disconnected. A summoner has disconnected.
Alright. We shall take a food break and come back later. Wise to bronze too. Alright. Well, if it was Vega would have won. But this team was random bunch of people. Just 60 again. I am. Anyway, I'll show you later. Food break time.